Dear students, today we are going to solve chapter 7 of class 3, and the chapter is A Dog Loves Cakes. Number 1. Answer the following questions. Who is Mr. Samir's best friend? Answer. His dog Seru is Mr. Samir's best friend. B. When does Mr. Samir get up in the morning? Answer. Mr. Samir gets up late in the morning. C. Who goes out for a walk with Mr. Samir? His dog Seru goes out for a walk with Mr. Samir. D. When Mr. Samir drinks coffee, what does Seru do? Answer. When Mr. Samir drinks coffee, Seru sits under his chair. Who brings Mr. Samir's newspaper home? How does he bring it? Answer. Seru brings Mr. Samir's newspaper home. He holds the newspaper softly between his teeth and carries it home. F. What did the doctor tell Mr. Samir? Answer. The doctor told Mr. Samir, you have got the flu. G. Why did Mr. Samir give a 2 rupee coin to Seru? Did he get the newspaper? Answer. Mr. Samir gave a 2 rupees coin to Seru to bring newspaper. Yes, he got the newspaper. What did the newspaper man tell Mr. Samir? The newspaper man told Mr. Samir, your dog took 7 newspapers and didn't bring any money. How did Seru show that he was sorry? Answer. Seru hung his head to show that he was sorry. J. What did Mr. Samir do then? Answer. Mr. Samir petted his dog Seru then. Now question number 2. Fill in the gaps with the words given in the box. Words are masters, slice, newspaper, phrase, cottage, teeth. Now questions are as follows. One day Seru's master gives him a big dash of cake. Answer. Slice. One day Seru's master gives him a big slice of cake. Mr. Samir lives in his dash. Answer. Cottage. Mr. Samir lives in his cottage. Seru sits under his dash chair. Answer. Master's. Seru sits under his master's chair. Mr. Samir crosses the road and buys the dash daily. Answer. Newspaper. Mr. Samir crosses the road and buys the newspaper daily. Seru holds the newspaper between his dash. Answer. Teeth. Seru holds the newspaper between his teeth. His dash seems to glow. Answer. Face. His face seems to glow. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. Here I have written directly true and false. You can also write T for true and F for false. Seru likes coffee more than cake. False or F. Seru likes actually cake more than coffee. Mr. Samir is an old man. True or you can write T. Mr. Samir does not follow the same routine every day. False. You can also write F only. Mr. Samir follows the same routine every day. One day Mr. Samir fell ill. True. You can write T. The dog Seru is shameless. False. The dog Sheru is shameful. You can also write F for false. Now question number 4. Make sentences using don't and 4 sentences using doesn't from this table. The table is given and now sentences are here ready. I didn't like it. I don't like it. You don't speak Sanskrit. They don't play cricket. We don't watch horror movies. Raju doesn't know any film song. He doesn't run like a deer. She doesn't like tea. My friend doesn't speak Sanskrit. Now next question. Next question is complete these statements using don't or doesn't, whichever is correct, with the words given in brackets. Example is given, birds fly, in bracket there is run, and answer is birds fly, comma, they don't run. Now we have to make sentences from the words given here. A. Peacocks eat worms, in bracket eat sweets. Answer. Peacocks eat worms, they don't eat sweets. B. Lions live in caves, in bracket on trees. Answer. Lions live in caves, they don't live on trees. C. My friend gets up at 8 o'clock. In bracket down. Answer. My friend gets up at 8 o'clock. He doesn't get up at dawn. D. Many farmers in Himachal Pradesh grow apples, in bracket coconut. Answer. Many farmers in Himachal Pradesh grow apples, they don't grow coconut. E. These girls swim in lake, in bracket in the river. Answer. These girls swim in the lake, they don't swim in the river. Match and make phrases. This is question number 6. Answer is here. A row of houses, a bunch of keys, a cluster of stars, a flock of sheep, a herd of cows. Now question number 7. Fill in the blanks. Hide is to dash as bite is to beat. Answer is hid. Hide is to hit as bite is to beat. Throw is to threw as dash is to slept. Answer sleep. Throw is to threw as sleep is to slept. Dash is to went as give is to gave. Answer go. Go is to went as give is to gave. At is to dash as met is to meet. Answer is it. At is to eat as met is to meet. We have completed this chapter and the chapter was A Dog Loves Cakes. Okay, thank you.